Namaskara, I am Surya Narayan, yoga teacher from Narayan Hospital. I welcome to everybody to observe No Tobacco Day on 31st of May. World Health Organization creates this No Tobacco Day on 1987. The main concept behind to spread the message to whole world to stop consuming and its side effects. Tobacco deteriorates our health condition. Billions and billions people die every year by consuming tobacco. More than 2 billion people die is a smoker, is a non-smoker. So those are not smoking, they are also affecting as a secondary effect of smoking. We should understand this condition. Tobacco smoking deteriorates our health condition, our finance condition, distract our family. Definitely stress induces increasing the consuming of tobacco. Stress is just like a chaining of thoughts. The same thoughts going on like a chain non-stop. Their person experiencing very difficulty is not able to come out from the stress, and he try to take the very easy system of method, that tobacco smoking. So today he starts taking one cigarette smoking, he feels better, he feels relaxed, and body demands one more and one more. Daily one cigarette he increases and he intoxicated. One day comes, he takes more than 30 to 50 cigarettes per day. And that day comes, body also not able to sustain. The body start getting pain, difficulty. He wants to stop the smoking, but he is not able. In this condition, he is scared of he stop, something problem happens, or his mind is so intoxicated, he wants to come out but not able to. Yoga definitely helps in this condition. But first of all, the patient should understand, and he can target, we can educate the patient. He can stop, and by giving different type of counseling and educating the patient in yogic way, definitely we can helps to stop the smoking. He can, first thing is craving of smoking. When he wants to smoke, is not able to control, and there we can tell, just wait for some time, and you can, after that you can smoke. Little control yourself. So controlling capacity you should build up. Now he wants, after 1 hour you take. So every day you can 1 minute we can increase. Like this also we can control the craving of smoking. One day will come, patience will come, so you can increase the, even 1 day, 2 days, 3 days also you can increase the duration of taking. And if he wants, every day he can stop 1 to 5 cigarettes per day, according to his capability, can maintain. And better education, educating that he can stop. Determination, I can stop. Drinking sufficient of water. Even you can take one clove inside your mouth and chew. That also help you to stop the smoking.